Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
A cough lasting over 8 weeks could signal lung disease. Watch for blood in your cough, unexplained weight loss, or shortness of breath. These signs need prompt medical attention. Chronic coughs might indicate issues like bronchitis, tuberculosis, or lung cancer. If your cough persists despite treatment, consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis and care.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.